Welcome to Monuments Unraveled. Today, we journey to one of the most opulent royal residences in the world, the Palace of Versailles in France. A true symbol of grandeur and history, Versailles is a must-visit destination for travelers worldwide. Built in the 17th century by King Louis XIV, the Palace of Versailles was transformed from a modest hunting lodge into a magnificent royal residence. It became a seat of power, housing French royalty until the French Revolution in 1789. One of the most iconic features of the palace is the Hall of Mirrors. With 357 mirrors reflecting light from grand windows, this room was designed to showcase the king's wealth and power. It also holds historical significance as the site where the Treaty of Versailles was signed in 1919, ending World War I. The Gardens of Versailles are just as breathtaking as the palace itself. Spanning 800 hectares, they feature symmetrical designs, intricate fountains, and sculptures that are a testament to French landscaping artistry. So, when can you visit this architectural marvel? The Palace of Versailles is open from 9 in the morning to 6:30 in the evening, with the last entry at 5:45 every day except Mondays. The gardens are open daily, from 8 in the morning to 8:30 in the evening during the high season. Remember, early mornings and weekdays are the best times to avoid crowds. Tickets start at €19 for standard entry or €27 for a passport ticket, which includes access to the palace gardens and special fountain shows. Online booking is recommended to skip the long queues. Here are some fun facts about Versailles. Did you know the palace has over 700 rooms, 67 staircases, and 2,153 windows? And while the palace may seem eternal, maintaining it costs millions each year. Whether you're a history buff or an art lover, the Palace of Versailles offers an unforgettable experience. Explore its timeless beauty and immerse yourself in the opulence of French royalty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing stories of monumental wonders from around the globe. See you in the next episode.